been a long time since Daddy was here. The fish have got a lot bigger.
Like Daddy's tummy.
Mirror looks normal to me.
Daddy, where's your big tummy gone?
The box. Stick these yogurt pots on the sides. And what have you got?
A box with pots on it.
Hello, Peppa. What are you doing?
I'm learning to whistle, but I can't do it yet.
That sounds hard.
It's impossible. Can you whistle, Susie?
No.
Oh, good. I mean, that's sad if you can't whistle. But good, because I can't whistle.
What's whistling anyway?
You put your lips together and blow.
Like this? Hello, Peppa?
Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh, you just...
Thank goodness I don't have to exercise. I'm naturally fit.
You don't look very fit, Daddy. Your tummy is a bit big. Red apple. I've got a green apple. Let's swap. Okay.
Peppa? Susie? What are you doing?
Susie told me to open my lunchbox. Peppa told me to swap our apples.
You see, playing together is fun.
No, you didn't!
Well done, George.
But this picture from Peppa Pig is my favorite.
Wow, that's my picture.
It shows Daddy Pig watching TV. Looks like Daddy Pig needs some exercise.
Eh? What?
The potato! Mr. Potato! Oh, it's just Peppa.
Fuck you! I hate all of you!
Mummy, now you've made the car all muddy again.
Naughty Mummy.